1234 横浜コーストガードレディオ1234横浜コーストガードレディオ I have two messages. First message, exercise. Third regional coast guard local warning number 1. Third 1620 Japan Standard Time January. Honshu East Coast, northeast of Kashimanada. Gunnery and bombing by self-defense force aircraft. 0700 to 1700 Japan Standard Time. Daily 4th to 31st January. Sundays and holidays excluded. Area bounded by 36 degrees 05 minutes 00 seconds north. 141 degrees 20 minutes 48 seconds east. 36 degrees 38 minutes 36 seconds north. 141 degrees 20 minutes 48 seconds east. 36 degrees 40 minutes 43 seconds north. 142 degrees 10 minutes 46 seconds east. 36 degrees 09 minutes 59 seconds north. 141 degrees 59 minutes 52 seconds east. 36 degrees 05 minutes 00 seconds north. 141 degrees 46 minutes 04 seconds east. Second message, survey works. Third regional coast guard local warning number 423. 14th 1620 Japan Standard Time December. Honshu South Coast, Enshu-Nara. Survey works by research vessel Tansa, towing 10 cables. 9,000 meters in length, 1,000 meters in width, or towing 1 cable. 13,000 meters in length, 24 hours daily until 1st March. Area bounded by 34 degrees 21 minutes north, 137 degrees 34 minutes east, 34 degrees 20 minutes north, 137 degrees 50 minutes east, 34 degrees 00 minutes north, 138 degrees 30 minutes east, 33 degrees 00 minutes north, 138 degrees 30 minutes east, 33 degrees 00 minutes north, 136 degrees 20 minutes east, 33 degrees 30 minutes north, 136 degrees 20 minutes east, 33 degrees 53 minutes north, 136 degrees 30 minutes east, 34 degrees 15 minutes north, 137 degrees 04 minutes east. Cancel third regional coast guard local warning number 401. Message and out.